Mastering slang. Understanding, juking out. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our vibrant English learning community. Today, we're diving into the world of slang and exploring the phrase, juking out. This term might be new to some of you, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to use it like a native speaker. So, let's get started. Juking out is a slang phrase that originates from sports, particularly American football and basketball. It refers to the action of making a sudden, deceptive move to avoid being tackled or to get past an opponent. When you juke out someone, you're essentially tricking them into thinking you're going one way, but then you quickly shift and go another. While juking out started in sports, it's now used in everyday language to describe avoiding something or someone in a clever or deceptive way. For instance, if someone says, "I juked out of that boring meeting," they mean they found a smart way to avoid attending it. To use juking out correctly, remember it often implies a level of skill or cleverness. It's not just about escaping or avoiding. It's about doing so with agility and intelligence. For example, incorrect. I juked out of doing my homework. This sounds like you simply didn't do it, rather than being clever about it. Correct. I juked out of answering the question by changing the subject. This shows you skillfully avoided something. And that's a wrap on juking out. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this slang phrase with confidence. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the colorful expressions that make it fun and dynamic. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.